Welcome back. This is Nick Agram. One of the applications or areas where we can apply the 6 trigonometric functions when we talk about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Like what we have now here, parasailing. A parasailer is attached to a boat with a rope 300 feet long. The angle of elevation from the boat to the parasailer is 48 degrees. Estimate the parasailer's height above the boat. So if you have boat here, I hope I can okay, there you go, the boat, and then we have the parasailer here. And attached to it like that. Then we have the parasailing here. That's it. very simple drawing. And what it says, this is 300 feet, and then the angle of elevation is 48 degrees. That's it. Estimate the parasailer's height. This is what we're going to estimate, the x here. So as you can see, we need an opposite side and hypotenuse. So to solve this, we have to use sine 48 degrees, because if the opposite side is x divided by the hypotenuse, that is 300. So we have x is equal to 300 times sine 48 degrees. And that is approximately. Okay, next. You need to do that. Find it with your calculator. Okay, railway. The falls inclined railway at Niagara Falls has an angle of elevation of 36 degrees. The railway extends a horizontal distance of about 138 feet. Find the height of the length and the length of the railway. So we have the horizontal, that is 138 feet, and then it goes up. I am a left-handed, that's why I use this. That's 36 degrees, the angle of elevation. So find the height once again. Then you know that you have an adjacent side and an opposite side. And we can only use tangent of 36 degrees because the opposite side is x and the adjacent side is 138 feet. So our x should be 138 multiplied by tangent of 36 degrees. That's feet. I guess I didn't put it here. That's also feet. Oh, or ft. Okay, another. You measure the angle of elevation from the ground to the top of a building is 32 degrees. So we have a building here, and to the ground we say 32 degrees. 32 degrees. When you move 50 meters closer to the building, the angle of elevation is 53 degrees. So we have here now, closer, 50 feet. Then we have 53 degrees. Okay? How high is the building? So our x here is here. Okay? So we have here, if this is, if the whole distance is, we call it y, then this distance should be y minus 50. Then we have, if we're going to use the tooth triangle, then we have the first triangle look like this. We have 32 degrees, not 50, 32 degrees. And then we have x here, and we have y here. So that is tangent of 38 degrees, 32. Why am I using other values? 32 degrees is equal to x divided by y. Okay? And then we have the next one. We have another that is also 90 degrees. And this is still our x, and this is 50 now. 53 degrees. And then this one is y minus 50 feet. Meters this time, not feet. We have meters this time. Meters. That's also meters. Meters. Now we have still tangent of 53 degrees is equal to x divided by y minus 50. And then we know that this will become x is equal to y tangent 50 at 32 degrees. So if we were going to put that in our x, then we only have y. So we have tangent y tangent 32 degrees is equal to y minus 50. I will explain this. Tangent 53 degrees. If we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by y minus 50, then we have x is equal to y minus 50 multiplied by tangent 53 degrees. And then I equated the x's. So if we will continue here now, then I have, if I'm going to multiply tangent 53 to both terms, then I have y tangent 53 degrees minus 50 times tangent 53 degrees. And then if I'm going to subtract both sides of the equation by y tangent 53, then we have y tangent 32 degrees minus y tangent 53 degrees is equal to negative 50 tangent 53 degrees. And then common factor, I have y, we have tangent 32 degrees minus tangent 53 degrees is equal to negative 50 tangent 53 degrees. So my y now, I'm going to write it here, above here, because I don't have place to write there. Y is equal to negative 50 tangent 53 degrees divided by tangent 32 degrees minus tangent 53 degrees. So our x now, I'm going to use another pen. Our x here now, x is equal to, I'm going to use this equation. Then we have negative 50 tangent 53 degrees divided by tangent 32 degrees minus tangent 53 degrees multiplied by tangent 32 degrees. So if we're going to solve that, I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's my screen. Then we have I need to have enclose them in a parenthesis. Then we have negative 50 tangent 53. There you go. Divided by a parenthesis tangent 32 minus tangent 53. There you go. Multiplied by tangent 32. Then we have 59. That is approximately the x now, or the height of this building is approximately 59 meters. Okay, I hope you learned something. That's my last example on this. And we have, in my next video, I will be discussing the unit circle and the radian measure. Okay, specifically the radian measure. Okay, I hope to see you there also. Have a nice day.